Woohoo! This video is for our newest little member currently chilling in the belly and about to enter the most wholesome, slightly chaotic, always three for each other friend group ever. Before we begin, this isn't just a memory video. We haven't even met you yet. We don't know your face. We don't know your voice. But what we already know this, you're about to be born into six slightly mad adults who love loudly, live fully, and show up for each other every single time. We hope one day you watch this and realize you were born into destiny. Meet Sanket and Mayank, the deadly duo. These two knew each other since school, not just classmates, best friends, the dangerous kind. They survived board exams, college, even went to London together. They built stories that you will definitely hear one day in great detail. They have blackmailed material on each other since teenage years. And honestly, their friendship survived academics, life decisions, adulthood, and somehow marriage also. Mad respect. This is Komal and Nidhi. Nidhi was Komal's senior in college, so technically she had to respect her. Technically. We weren't even proper friends, just hi-bye. Very decent, very formal. But little did we know, one day we wouldn't just share greetings. We'd share honeymoon stories, husband complaints, family dramas, shopping sprees, and full emotional breakdowns. That's called growth. This is Deepu and Ruchita. They are cousins since birth, which means diapers, family functions, and forced group photos. They have known each other forever. No secrets, only exposure. Now, if you really think about it, the threads were already there. Some from school, some from college, and some from family. It was almost like destiny was slowly preparing this group before we even realized we'll all end up like this. And that is what makes it beautiful. Now, before you arrive and judge all of us, we thought it's only fair that you know who your parents are, and more importantly, who you're stuck with for life. Let's start with your very calm looking father like figure, Mayank. Calm, composed, sorted. Looks fit, eats clean, will suggest salad even when nobody asked. He observes everything, says very little but stores everything. Strategic silence. And at the perfect timing, he brings it up. Calculated, precise. He plans, he analyzes, he walks after dinner. But don't get fooled, this man can party harder than everyone once he's warmed up. That's balance. And that's Ruhita, your Ru Masi. Mayank, that is the kind of voice that you'll keep hearing when you're beside her. She shops like it's cardio, reinvents aesthetics every few weeks, and breathes on pizza. We even call her a personal Audi. You know who Doddy is once you grow up. For her, junk food isn't a craving, it's a commitment. Her heart is permanently on her sleeve. She feels deeply, loves fiercely, and protects strongly. And honestly, that's a superpower. Now, when you put these two together, one calm, one expressive, one overthinks, one reacts, one stabilizes, one dramatizes. And somehow it works. They've built 4 years of madness, memories, and maturity, just like all of us. And here goes his maturity. That's where you meet your Deepu Chachu, the entertainer, organizer, and the energy source. If something dramatic is happening, he's either involved or enjoying front row seats. He has opinions, strong ones, and will share them, but not with himself. He's loyal to the core, protective without saying it loudly, and he loves this group like it's his responsibility. And then there's me, somewhere between emotional and practical, somewhere between calm and chaos. I may look sorted, but I overthink professionally. I act mature until I don't, but I love fiercely. And I'm grateful every single day for this madness. I mean, they are the couple that you'd run to if you find your parents fighting most of the times because of you. तुम लोग ने कभी मैचस्टिक का कॉन्सेप्ट सुना है? A human doing the job of a matchstick. He doesn't create fights. He just adds a tiny spark. One sentence, one comment, one perfectly timed tease, and then quietly steps back to watch the chaos unfold. थोड़ा चिंगारी लगाएगा and exit. Dangerous timing. But beneath all that, he's solid, reliable, the kind of friend who shows up without being asked. And trust me, if drama had a silent producer, it would be him. That's your dad. Sanket! Then comes your mama. Graceful, strong, and sharp. She looks calm, but she sees everything. She may not react immediately. Um, sorry. But she remembers, and when she speaks, clarity. She is the composed balance to Sanket's spark throwing tendencies. In fact, she is a fire extinguisher to Sanket's chingaris. And now, all six of us stand here after 4 years of marriage, friendships, trips, growth, arguments, laughter, and memories we'll tell you about one day. We're not dramatic, we are not perfect. We're just a group of slightly mad adults who chose each other. So, little one, welcome to this world. Welcome to us. We promise you a life filled with happiness, with joy, with noise, with love. Of course, you would be the Nepo kid that we all will have. We promise you that on your sad days, we'll turn them into fun. Our meaning of chilling is soon going to change completely when you arrive, but we are ready, or preparing to. We will make sure we are running the most successful playground you've ever seen. You will never feel alone in this world, not for a second, and that's our promise to you. We are all here for you. See you soon. Until next time, love you always. And cheers to us, man, for finding peace and comfort in each other's company and passing forward this legacy forever and ever. I love you all. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.